Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, this video will be in partnership with Tinashe hair. They went ahead and sent me a 13x4 lace frontal unit. It is in 24 inches and 180 density. I am loving this gorgeous unit. It is called their barrel curl wig, and to be honest, I feel like I styled it perfectly with these gorgeous crimps. I am loving it. So if you would like to see how I did it, just keep on watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description box where I show you all the links that Tinashe hair has for this wig and for everything else. Their social medias, their website, all that stuff will be in the description box. So let me stop rambling, let's jump into the video so I can show you how to get your wig looking like this. Okay, mamas, so this is the finished look. To complete the look, I just wanted to let you guys know what I used. So this is my Ion Crimper, my old faithful, and my even newer faithful. This is the Kenra Perfect Medium Hold Spray in the number 13. I feel like this works perfectly because it is the best hairspray to use when you just want a light hold on some crimps and you don't want them to be like too hard. Yeah, so that works perfect. It's literally what it says, a medium hold. So this wig is from Tinashe Hair, and it is actually their barrel curls wig. I've never heard of that before, but the curls actually came like pre-curled, and I bleached the unit, hung it upside down, and the curls fell. But because they did fall, I felt like this was the perfect situation to just do these crimps. They are perfect, they resemble curls, and I just think it's so gorgeous and fitting for the name of the wig. So it is in 24 inches, it is 180 density, and it is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. I'm loving everything about it. Like, this hair really good with no shedding, really good with not tangling, and I just feel like this wig is absolutely perfect. So thank you so much to Tinashe Hair for sending me this gorgeous wig. Did I mention? I don't think I did. It's very much affordable, and they will have discount codes and all that good stuff in the description box, so don't forget to check that in order to purchase this gorgeous wig from Tinashe Hair. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.